Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to show you guys something a little different. I wasn't gonna record this, but I decided why not and just show you what I've been working on. So I've always liked to doodle and just swirl around, and about, I want to say a year ago or so, I came across this type of art that's called Neurographic art. And I'll link some information down below so you can read more about it. I know that you could get certified in teaching and stuff like that. I'm not certified, but this is just something that I'm interested in and I like to do. And it's a form of art that was designed in 2014 by a Russian psychologist named Pavel Piskarov. Sorry if I mispronounced that. But again, I'll link the information below so you guys could just get additional information. So what I've done here is the background of this canvas. What I did was I was playing around with the acrylic inks, and I'll post a video or a clip of it somewhere within this video. And then what I did is I took a Sharpie and I just swirled lines around it and started to make lines within the circles. Okay, so the whole idea of it is you take a piece of paper. In this case, I took the canvas that I had already made a background. You make lines and you swirl it all around from one point to the other. And then wherever the lines meet, like this right here, you just round it out. So I'm going to find a point that I haven't rounded out, and let's just do up here. And also you could use different things to make shapes on top of it. So for this circle, I just took this tape and I just traced it. So let's do another one here. Yeah, let's do one here. And I just took the inside, and that's it. So here, I'll just use this piece. So right where you see where this X, you kind of round it out, kind of making a C, and you do all the corners. And there's a whole reasoning behind this. Again, in the article, you'll see that information. And sometimes I'll just make the line a little thicker here. And here we have another one, so we just start rounding it off. And you can use whatever. I'm using a Sharpie. I have different types of Sharpies here with different points. So you could also use watercolor paper and use watercolor pencils if that's what you want to do. You could just take a regular piece of paper. I've done it in notebooks and just doodle. Like I said in the beginning, I do like to doodle around. So yeah, so this is the process. I'm not gonna make this a whole lengthy video as far as me doing all of it. I'll show a picture at the end on what's gonna be the final results. But I just wanted to show you guys something different that you could do on a canvas or on a piece of paper. It's very relaxing. You could do this, you know, if you're outside, maybe sitting outside, drinking a cup of tea, coffee, whatever the case may be. And yeah, just be creative. And with the lines, so I have different types of lines here, or you could fill it in. So let's say here, I'm just gonna fill it all in black. You could also use acrylic markers. That should work fine. I have some, but I just decided to stick with the Sharpie because I just wanted the black line since I have the background. And I wanted some of the background to peek out, so I don't want to cover everything. You could also do dots. So let's say I just wanted to do some dots. That. just have fun with it. It's, like I said, it's very relaxing. You could listen to music while you do this. If you like audiobooks, you could do that. Whatever the case may be. So that's something. Simple. And yeah, so also let me just show with the other a different color. So let's say I'm going to take this orange. It's going to be hard to see because of the background, but again, you could just use different colors. And let's just fill in here, and I'll do a little close-up. And I'm just skipping some. Yeah, I don't think you guys are going to be able to see that. Let's try the yellow. Okay, so I'll do a couple more lines and stuff on camera, and then at the end, like I said, I'll just show you a picture of the final results. So hope you guys like this type of thing. Again, it's just something different that you could do on a canvas, a piece of paper. Just let your creativity flow with whatever you do, and I guess that's it. Hope you guys enjoy.